Okay, so in the last video I thought the new lights needed to be charged, but it turns out there was the little things in there because I've never unboxed a new light before. My current light that I'm carrying was given to me, so I didn't know. But inside the box, look at this, y'all. This cute little like certificate. Be our lucky number for the S1A to you. Thank you. I don't know. I have no idea what this is.
So light.
But it also comes with like an instruction manual. And that was in this box. And in this box for the I can't remember what this light was, and he was with the clip right
That's
over
the
it.
S1A.
That's the S1A. It's a sweet feeling light.
Yeah.
In the box we also had instructions and a lanyard. So,
Okay, so
that's really cute. What are we gonna do with a lanyard? What do you do with it? Are you like, is there some?
If you keep your light in the bag or something, it's more useful. Or if you want to keep it in your pocket with the lanyard, but it gets hung up on things. So I've got these separated out from heavy and lightweight. Here's our very modest Olight collection.
What did you do with my keys?
I took it off.
Very modest key collection.
I took it off.
It's massive.
So we have a lot of these are gifts. This one was a gift. This one was a gift. This one was a gift. And the rest of them we purchased once we got turned on to them. But so we got here.
Okay,
this is.
I know we don't need.
This
like
is my EDC light.
Like I thought we were just talking about the lights we just.
We are. Well, I'm comparing. This is my EDC light. It's the S2 baton. Has one of these big old 18650 rechargeable batteries.
Right.
And in comparison,
hey, you got the dirt. Yale's light took like a 3 or 4 week nap in the dirt.
Yeah, it did, and it was still.
And it still worked. It still worked, y'all.
It's awesome.
It still works.
Okay, so comparing to sort of a similar-ish model, the S1A. Now it is heavier because this is raw copper.
Yeah.
But what's cool about it?
What's this one? Yeah, it's way heavier.
What's cool about it is the size.
It's very small.
And while it doesn't have the max lumens,
this is what I wanted this for.
It takes rechargeable AA, so that's cool.
Okay, wait. So it's a real, like it's a AA.
Yeah. See.
So like if you were out somewhere and that died, could you buy?
Yeah, you could just buy a regular AA.
It probably wouldn't last as long.
No. Well, it depends on the AA.
But that's good for an emergency situation. Like if you needed your light and you had a AA, I mean.
But it's a real cool size. I don't know. They may make this in aluminum, but that's an awesome size. Awesome size for EDC.
Okay.
And okay, so here's what I want to show you. The copper. Well, this one's brass, but these three are copper. This one is a coated copper. It will not patina. These two are raw coppers. So eventually, this one is going to take on a patina like that. It was interesting. They shipped it. They shipped it sealed.
Yeah,
in like
I thought that was pretty cool. They had shipped it sealed, so it didn't have the elements. I think Isaac ran off with the shrink wrap.
Yeah, it was.
Or maybe
It was almost like a freeze dried back.
Yeah, it really was.
Oh, it's really smooth. Boy, I like that.
I know, it's sweet. I wish it would stay looking like that, but it won't.
So, okay. And
I love this blue. I love the blue they put on it. That's so cute.
Yeah,
that blue is an awesome blue color.
So, and then we got over here.
That matter, y'all.
This one's, and this is the S1 baton.
This is what I carry all the time with me.
And that one is the S1 Mini. It's titanium. That's I believe it's titanium.
I love it.
With the anodized. It's anodized.
Bright, y'all. It's totally bright.
It takes a different battery too, but they're all rechargeable.
So.
It takes a different battery.
That just said do not recharge.
Oh, did it? Oh. Well, you know what? I need to check mine because it may not be rechargeable. I may end up burning the house down.
recharge. That was legit.
It says do not recharge, so yeah, that's just a regular AA then.
So that said do not recharge too?
Yeah,
in
but
there,
you can
that
get a
Olight?
rechargeable AA.
Oh, okay.
We need to go get one of those packs at Costco.
Okay. Yeah, well, we got it. We can go to Costco today.
And then
We'll
we
go to GT's
have
today.
the same model in raw copper and the lightweight aluminum model. I really like the lightweight aluminum one.
I've grown to love GT. Like, I literally go there once a week now. Got all those new t-shirts.
Then we have, this is the, what model is
Nausea.
this? It's the EOS.
You're going to have to wrap this up because he's fixing to ruin it.
Well, and that's it. In summary,
What's on you, Isaac?
these are our flashlights.
This are our flashlights.
There are many like it, but this one is mine.
This one is mine. I really like it, but this one is mine. I have one more light that I carry all the time, but it's a lowly.
It's a Bushnell.
It's not a light. The only other one I want is I want the limited edition one that they have out right now. It
Which one
says
is that one?
2007 to 2017.
I like that. Do you see the transition?
Very cute.
The other ones don't do that.
You didn't show
I mean,
this
it's
one.
not.
You didn't turn this one on.
Oh, well, yeah.
Y'all need a light show.
They've got, it's two different kinds of
Yeah.
bulb too, it appears, or maybe
I
not.
don't know.
No, it's not. It's just.
One on right, one on not.
Well, actually, this one, if it was charged,
Hey, don't cough.
this
in
one's
Daddy's
not
face. Don't
charged,
be
by the way.
rude.
That's for a care. It does have a different light, different bulb.
Well, I know it needs to be charged. It's sad. How long have I been carrying it without charging it? A long time. My other one works. So. Okay. Alright,
and there
I'm
we are.
turning the video, and that's typical for our life.
Well, that's enough.
Okay.